This was one of the questions that came out in this 2026 WAEC physics exam. It came out in the practical question. A lot of students did not get it correctly because they forgot to understand what the question is talking about. So a lot of students solve this using this formula 1 over f is equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. If you solve this question using this, you will have 0. You get the wrong answer. They solved this way because they saw a converging lens. They saw the converging lens, so they used this formula. But they didn't see that the object was placed at 10 centimeters, and then that the focal length of the a converging lens is 15. So the focal length is greater than the position of the object distance. So if an object is placed at a distance that is less than the focal length of a converging lens, a converging lens is going to produce a virtual image. So that was what they didn't know. So they saw with this. The correct formula is 1 over f equal to 1 over u minus 1 over v, because a virtual image is going to be produced and the virtual image has a negative image distance. So this is the right formula. And if we solve this, we're going to apply the focal length is 15. So this is 1 over 15 is equal to 1 over 10 minus 1 over v. If I make 1 over v the subject of the formula, what I'm going to have is 1 over v is going to be equal to 1 over 10 minus 1 over 15. And if we find the LCM here, this is 30. 10 goes into 30, that is 3. So I have 3 minus 15 goes into 30, that is 2. 2 times this is 2. So the answer is actually 1 over 30 here. 1 over 30. And therefore, we have that the image position, the position of the image, which is image distance, is going to be equal to 30 centimeter. But a lot of students apply this formula and got minus 30 centimeter, and they failed it. We marked them wrong. We marked them wrong for this.